Hello, my name's Chris and I'm with Thrive Outdoor Solutions. So you're interested in a lawn sprinkler system. Well, the good thing is we've been installing, designing, and repairing lawn sprinkler systems for about 12 years. 2007 is when we opened. I want to kind of go over a list of things that you might want to think about when hiring a contractor for your lawn sprinkler systems, questions you might think about, and things you should just know as you begin your endeavors into a new system being installed at your home. Number one is the company licensed. I am licensed with the state. My license number is LI 18466. Been licensed since '09. So that is that. Make sure the contractor is licensed, because if they are not licensed, that means they are not able to pull a permit, which means your system would not be installed legally in the state of Texas. That actually leads me into my next thing. Make sure that your contractor is pulling a permit. The permit allows the city to do the inspection of the lawn sprinkler system, which will guarantee that it was, number one, installed right. Because as irrigators, there are a lot of codes, city rules and codes that we know that you may not, but this allows the city to make sure that everything is done right, correct, and keeps your drinking water safe. So make sure that your contractor, the company you're working with, is licensed with the state of Texas. We do hold insurance. Make sure that the company you are going to work with has insurance. That way, if there was anything that happened, you are covered through the company during the installation. Make sure that the company is contacting DigTest. DigTest is the company that comes out and marks off all your gas lines, all of your electric, AT&T, Verizon. That is up to the company. Most of the time, the company, we do that for our clients, every single construction site, to make sure that we can keep our chances very, very low of us hitting anything, breaking anything, causing more problems on your property while we're there during the install. So again, make sure that your company is contacting DigTest so that you are know that all utilities have been marked, AT&T, Verizon, gas, electric, so that you're protecting your home, number one, and number two, making sure it's not just making more problems while they're there. Another thing to think about is you will have trench lines in your yard. There will be a machine that trenches through your yard and causes trench lines now, which means just basically a dirt path, different paths of dirt that you'll see. Please note, they will go away. Your grass will eventually grow through. It usually takes 2 to 3 months at the most, but you will never know we were there. If you look around in your neighborhoods, you'll notice a lot of the people that have sprinkler systems, you don't see the trench lines anymore, because that grass will fill back in. So don't be alarmed, but we do want our customers to know that you will have some trench lines throughout your yard for at least 2 to 3 months until everything grows back in. I forgot what number we're on, so we're just going to move on to the next. Valve boxes. You will also have little 6-inch round green lid boxes spread out throughout your yard. Those are things that you want to just keep in mind. They will be there. It's not really noticeable once the grass grows in. Now, obviously, when the crew is complete on day one, you're going to notice those valve boxes, but over time, when the grass fills back in, you will not notice them as much. You will also have a bigger green rectangle box, usually installed either in your flower bed or by your curve. Again, not as noticeable when the grass fills back in. You do want to make sure that you maintain your grass around those, and what I mean by maintain is weed eating around and cleaning those box lids, keeping them visible so that you can see them, so that if you ever have a problem in the future, that any irrigator is able to come out and does not have to use a locator to locate. It will cost you extra money to locate, so keep that in mind. And when you have your sprinkler system installed, you do want to maintain those boxes. That will save you money in the long run. Nextly, Thrive Outdoor Solutions specifically installs now only the cell phone capable controllers, a Hunter Pro HC if you want to look it up. It allows you to control your system with a cell phone. No more do you have to go out to your garage every time it's time to change schedules, every time it's time to check your system. You can literally pull out your cell phone and control your system with your cell phone. Really makes things easier when you're trying to test and make sure all zones are turning on, turning off, everything's working, and also nice considering you need to change your times throughout the season. You will need to change those times up and down depending on the weather. If it's hotter, your times go up, and if it's cooler, your times go down. So very nice that you can do it from your cell phone. It's going to help you, or at least I believe it's going to help those who are a little more lazy on doing that. At least they can do it when they're sitting there. They can do everything from their cell phone. Next, city inspection, kind of going backwards a hair. You will have an inspection done upon completion of the system. That allows again, the city to see that everything was installed right by the contractor. It protects you, and when that inspection is completed, you will have a green tag issued, whether it be digital or an actual physical paper. Different cities, they do different things, but at the end of the day, there is a final inspection. Again, that allows you to be also, when you sell your home, it shows that you had your system installed legally. And you also have a company to refer back to if there's any issues, because that company will be logged with the city. To be able to pull a permit, the contractor has to be registered with the city. So that's that. Make sure you get a licensed contractor who is insured and is registered with the city and is pulling a permit to do the work at your home. And that pretty much wraps up things to think about. The questions you might need to ask: is your contractor licensed? Are they pulling a permit? Warranty. That would be the final thing. We here at Thrive Outdoor Solutions, we offer a 3-year warranty with all of our new sprinkler installs. That is on parts and labor. So if you have a leak, a zone not coming on, any problems with your controller, anything of that nature, you can call on us for a 3-year warranty. So I guess that's it. My name's Chris. I'm with Thrive Outdoor Solutions. This is the information you might want to think about when moving forward to get a new sprinkler system installed. And of course, if you have any questions, you can contact us here at 817-946-1805. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.